If you're familiar with TED Talks, these are lectures that happen all over the country, but they're really special. These people are hand-picked for not only their ability to communicate in an extraordinary way, but they communicate really good ideas that are potentially life-saving. So it's rare to have a child, a 15-year-old child, be invited to do TED Talks. And that's where Legacy Jackson comes in, a 15-year-old from Missouri. Let me read from the article here. While other kids were learning ABCs, Legacy was getting an early education in compassion. Every Christmas morning, we would go out and feed the homeless before we go home and open our gifts. Any opportunity that Mom really saw for me and my brother to do community service, we did. But the tiny volunteer noticed something that really bothered her. At every service project, there were no other children. Her persistent questioning became a running joke with her mom. It was very annoying because every time she's like, there are no kids here. And I knew before we even got there, she's going to be complaining about no kids. That observation led to a dinner table conversation that would change countless lives. At seven years old, Legacy proposed a simple but revolutionary idea, and this is it, to have community service or do community service while having fun. That dinner table dream became Little Legacies, where young volunteers learned giving back can be a celebration and it can be fun. From delivering teddy bears to cancer patients to brighten the days of people that live in senior centers. Legacy has created opportunities for kids to experience the joy of helping others. Her ideas have proven so powerful that she became Missouri's youngest TED Talk speaker, sharing her message alongside world-changing adults. But her most tangible impact might be at Gateway 180, where she transformed a worn-down play space into a haven of happiness. You don't necessarily, this is a quote from her, equate a homeless shelter with joy, but that's what Legacy brought, said Gateway Director Kathy Connors. The effect on young people has been profound. If you're down, she would like you look up and make you laugh just to be around her. She's so uplifting, says 12-year-old friend Amaya Mason. Another young volunteer, 13-year-old Trent Fizz, admits, I want to be just like her some days. What a great story, and I'm glad you were here to enjoy it with me.